It's been a week after Galaxy Note 9 was announced in New York, and we already had our hands with the device. Samsung Nepal is now taking pre-booking for the Galaxy Note 9, and we are going to share our first impression to help you guys. The Galaxy Note 9 brings the same popular metal glass sandwich design to the table. It now holds a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED SDR10 compliant super vibrant screen. The bezels are a bit smaller than the last Note 8, which makes the room for that bigger display. It now has chamfered metallic rail, which is being called the diamond cut. At the back we have dual lens setup and changed position of the fingerprint sensor. At the bottom of the phone we get a 3.5mm headphone jack, and kudos to Samsung for keeping it. And then we have the USB Type-C, then the S Pen silo. At the top there is SD card and SIM card tray. The Note 9 now supports SD card up to 512GB, which makes it a storage monster. On the right side there is power button, and at the left we got volume rockers and a Bixby button. The Bixby button is still not remappable. Let's run down on the specs first. It has got a Exynos 9810 chipset on the inside. Nepal is getting a 6GB RAM 128GB storage variant for now. The Note 9 features a 4000 mAh battery, which is one of the most fantastic thing. The screen is still one of the best in the market. The new S Pen and the device is IP68 dust and water resistant. In Nepal we are getting 3 color options, which includes midnight black, metallic copper and ocean blue. Ocean blue is one of our favorite because of the new unique S Pen. The Galaxy Note 9 is a workhorse with its improved S Pen, bigger screen and new DeX. The fingerprint sensor placement is also now changed below the camera module, which solves the issue of the last year. Samsung is now targeting this powerful flagship for the heavy gamers and professionals. This phone now has a new cooling technology, and it should help the processor keep its higher clock up. We are going to do its intense and full review after the retail units are made available in the Nepali market. The camera of the Galaxy Note 9 is same as the Galaxy S9 Plus in terms of the hardware, but there are some software improvements. It can now detect smudged lens, blurry images and can notify the user. The AI software integration can enhance photos and also detect scenes to provide better results. Galaxy Note 9 is not a quantum leap, but just the improved battery, higher storage and the new DeX makes it a phone hard to resist. In our first review, we are highly impressed by this gorgeous device and we can't wait to get it in our office. This phone holds one of the best display and one of the bigger batteries in the Galaxy lineup. We hope this first impression will help you make your decision on pre-booking. For more, stay tuned with us. We'll see you soon and thank you.